I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a very simple technique exercise, and I say simple because there's nothing like crazy complex about it. This is just one of my favorite technique exercises that I bring to my classes, and I thought I would just share it with you. Whether you're a teacher or you're a student, this is such a great exercise to just have fun with time steps with. There's, like I said, nothing really complex about it. I'm not adding anything weird. I'm not changing any of the rhythms. It's just a progression of time steps that goes single, single, double, double, triple, triple, treble. That's it. I probably could just leave this video at that and go, okay, it's 2, 2, 2, and a treble. And be like, okay, got it. But I also really wanted to share it with you as like an exercise that we can do together. So that's why I'm sharing it as a technique exercise today. It's definitely one of my favorites to bring to my intermediate classes because that's the level that I feel like we're working on time steps. We're trying to get the rhythms correctly. We're trying to like flow smoothly from singles into doubles into triples into breaks. And in this case, the break is a traveling time step. It is a traveling time step, not the only traveling time step. So for anyone that's like, hey, that's not how you do a traveling time step, it is one way to do a traveling time step. There is a million different ways of doing these. So I have learned that people are very particular about things I say on TikTok, mostly TikTok. YouTube is pretty good. Instagram is pretty good. But on TikTok, if I say, oh, this is a traveling time step, they go, that is not how I was taught to do a traveling time step. I said, yes, that's why I said this is a traveling time step, not the traveling time step. Like there's a bunch of different ways to do it. So if this isn't how you do it, that is totally fine. Enjoy this one and then maybe share with me the one that you do. Like let me know in the comments how yours goes. I invited people to do that on TikTok and Instagram as well. I got really cool responses. So always looking to learn new things. All right, so like I said, this progression, very, very simple. 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples, and a treble. So if you are kind of not there with any of these types of time steps, that's okay. I have all of the ones we're gonna do in this technique exercise right in the description below. There is a step tutorial playlist. Just click on that playlist, search for time step. You'll find the single, the double, the triple, and this particular traveling time step as each in their own video. So like you'll have to look at all 4 videos to learn all 4 if you need to. But if you just need one of them, each of these has its own dedicated video to teach you how to do it. So if you need any help with that, go ahead and do that and meet me back here when you're ready. So today we're just gonna flow through this series and have some fun with it. 2 singles. So let's start with that. Traditionally, time steps start on 8, so we will be starting on 8. So let's just do 2 singles. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, I am doing the stomp time step for these. I know the traditional time step, or some people call it the traditional time step. Some people call these stomp time steps. Some people call the ones with the shuffle time steps. There's different names for everything, but we're going to be doing a stomp hop instead of a shuffle. That's another differentiation I want to make sure that everyone knows they exist. You probably do one of them more often than the other, but today we're doing the stomp version, okay? So, one more time, 2 singles with a stomp. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, that would lead you into 2 doubles. So let's do 2 doubles together. Just the doubles. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 2 triples. I keep doing this. 2 triples. It's hard. 2 triples. This is the one with the shuffle in it. Ready? Just the triples. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples, and then we'll get into the traveling. Ready? 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Triple. Good. Okay, from there, we go into this traveling time step. I'll go over it in this video, but if you need it more in depth, it's right down there in the description in the step tutorial playlist. So you just went here, You have stomp on 8. You start this with hop, shuffle, step. So it starts like a regular triple time step. So you just did that stomp. You go hop, shuffle, step. And now you have shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, ball, stomp. And I make sure to say ball stomp so that you can go again if you want to. You can also ball, change, transfer all your weight if that's the only one that you're doing, or at the end of it. But you can do this like a million times in a row if you make it ball, change, ball, stomp, and then start again. And we'll kind of do that together. We'll try it twice in a row. But the traveling time step, you'll have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you may notice the shuffles after that initial shuffle, they're open. That first one is and 1, very, very like quick, closed, normal triple time step style shuffle. Now they're and 3 and 4 and 5. So now they're open. They're much more even. Okay, so make those shuffles a little bit different than that first one. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. Can we try the whole sequence together? Cool. Single, single, double, double, triple, triple, travel. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, double. Triple. Treble. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Not bad. Okay, let's try left side. Whole thing on the left, because it doesn't automatically switch. So you have to like specifically say, okay, now let's do it on the left. Left side, ready? 5, 6. Oh, you know what? I just did that 5, 6, 7 weight thing that teachers do. Let me go over the traveling time step on the left, just to make sure we're all on the same page. So you would do the stomp with the left foot. So it'll go stomp, hop, shuffle, step. And then you have shuffle, step, and then shuffle, ball, change, ball, stomp. So let's just try the traveling time step on the left, just to make sure we got it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. Okay, now let's try the whole thing on the left. Cool? Single, single, double, double, triple, triple, travel on the left. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, travel. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. Okay. Now we're gonna do it twice in a row, but we're gonna do it to some music. I've had so much trouble talking today. If you watch the choreography tutorial that I filmed today, it's in the same outfit, so you'll be able to see which one it is. I think it was Rhythm is a Dancer. I don't know if that comes out this week or next week, but whatever. I have so much trouble speaking today, and I blame it on the fact that I chose really early on a Sunday morning to film these. I'm so smart. All right, you guys ready? Let's try it with some music. Twice in the row on the right, and then we'll try it twice in a row on the left. So your tempo is a little quicker, but not much. So it'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. So that's going to be your tempo, okay? Right side. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it on the left, just for funsies. And because we should. And definitely because we should. All right, let's do it. Ready? Left side. 5. Twice through. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So much fun working on this with me today. Like I said, it was nothing crazy complicated, just definitely one of my favorite steps to do in class with my students. One of my favorite things to put in choreography. It's just a really nice progression. And if you're a dance teacher, this is great at any level as long as they know all 4 versions. And you can replace the traveling time step with a different traveling time step that you might do. And hey, who knows, if you do that, it might seamlessly go from right to left, which would be so fun. If you end up doing that, please tag me in a video. If you take a video with your students doing that or you doing that, tag me so I can see what you do with it. So much fun. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials like I mentioned earlier. We can learn just a step in a whole video. And then we also have choreography tutorials, like I just filmed one, to all of your favorite songs, or maybe songs that you kind of just like, or maybe songs I like. I do take song requests. So I know one of the songs that I recently did was by request. It was I'm Good by David Guetta and BB Rexa. So that's up on my channel. That was a mad request. And also Rehab. That was one that was requested about a year ago. And I finally found a version I could use. So sometimes it takes me a while, but yes, I do take song requests. So we have all that to offer on this channel. It's all free TAP tutorials and it's all for you. We also do vlogs and challenges and so much more. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up for me because it tells YouTube that people like tap dance. And we do. So thumbs up, subscribe. I hope you had fun today. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.